Okay.
Okay, let's get to business. You know that a market has a support. It says a support and resistance, right?
Yes.
There's a support and resistance. You 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 know that.
Yeah. Support and resistance, I do know. Yeah.
That's a good thing. Okay, I'm not gonna go deep, but I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna go. You know, this is what you know that markets move like this. It's move from a support. It move from a support
To resistance.
to resistance, and then okay, wait.
If it fails to break the resistance, it will go back to support to retest most.
I'm glad that you know. I'm glad that you know. It's move like this. I'm glad that you know. I'm not gonna make it like let me do like this. Glad that you know. Okay, this one. I'm glad that you know it does like this. I'm glad that you know. Okay. And then it breaks. And then what happened after that? It's calm and
If it
retest.
breaks, it will the resistance. If it breaks, it will become the support, and
And
then now
then
it means we have to get a new resistance on top there.
on top of it, and then it's move again up. I'm glad that you understand the support in the resistance part. So do you understand how to see an uptrend market?
Uptrend, no, no, that one. Do I have to look at those candlesticks or
Now
the support and resistance will tell me?
I'm talking about a trending market. I'm talking about a trending market. I'm talking about a trending market.
Yes.
Talking about a trending market. You see? And then you put your trend line like this, and then you already know that it's what? It's going up. You know that it's going up. You know that we are what? We are going up. You see now? Bounce here,
Then it goes up again.
and it goes up again. It's found what? This is what again? It's formed like a higher height in lower low, and it comes down and tests again here. Then again it goes up, then it comes down again, and then again it goes up. See, it comes down again, then it goes up. This is an uptrend market. This is in what? An uptrend. Until it
Uptrend, yeah.
find a break of structure, and then we find the what? We find the support here. After that, we find the support here until it's break. This is the end of an uptrend, and then it's come and test, we test again. Then after that again, it goes down. This is an
So
uptrend
if
market.
it breaks this trend line, it's gonna be a downtrend now.
It's going to be a downtrend, but it needs to find a support first, and then it goes up, and then it's continue down again. I will show you when you go on a live chart.
Okay.
Okay, I think we better go to a live chart because I think you understand more of a support and resistance when it comes to like this. Let me go to a live chart, ne? So that
Yes.
everything is gonna be easy for you. Let's go to a live chat. Can you start with let's start with USDT. Let's start with USDT. Let's start with USDT first. Okay. I'm sure now you see a blank thing there.
Yeah, I see this. Is it Golf 8 or 7? This one.
Okay. Okay, I'm trying to loading. Let's wait for it. Okay, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It's coming. Okay. What do you see now?
Okay, I see a chart. It's USD chart. Yeah.
Okay, okay, that's a good thing. Basically, okay, let's start. I start from daily, ne? I start from
Okay.
daily. So first thing that I look for my structure. I look at the structure of the market.
Okay.
I look at the structure of the market. Okay, I'm gonna start from daily. So I'm gonna get my higher of daily charts first. Then I'm gonna put my line charts. If I analyze, you see, if you wanna get an accurate support and resistance, you need to put a line chart. You see, this is my high height of daily, and then this is my lower low of daily.
The lower low, yeah.
Lower low of last week. Okay, this is my lower low. Can you see, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let me go to, I'm gonna go down to H4 now. This is how I do it. Okay, when I go to H4, then we have a new height on H4. We have a new height of a what? Of a resistance. Okay. So bear in mind, you already know. Can you please put that volume down a little bit?
Okay, for TV, sorry about that. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. We have a what here? We have a resistance here. We have a strong resistance here. This is our resistance. Come on, this is our resistance. Okay. Okay. This is our resistance. Then this is gonna be our what? This is gonna be our broken what? Our broken support.
Yes.
It's gonna be our broken support. Okay. Basically, you can see now what happened on the stage, right? You know what is gonna happen now, ne? What you need to find, we need to find a what? We need to find a support first. We need to find a what?
That is now H forms.
Yeah, this is H4. Yeah, we need to find a support. We need to find a what? We need to find a support. We need to find a support. So we need to find a support. This will be our support. Okay, I have an inside bar here. I have an inside bar. You see, I have an inside bar here, of which it acts as a zone now. Because it tried to push up, but it failed. Ne? It tried to push up, yeah, it tried to push up, but it failed. Okay. Let's try now. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna do like this. If I can put my trend line, okay, let me do that. I'm gonna put my trend line now. If people say our trend line don't work, they are crazy. You see now I'm gonna put my trend line from H4. Can you see, right?
Yeah.
I'm putting my trend from H4. You see that my trend is broken. But
in order for a trend line to become valued, 2 point must touch, ne?
Yes, 2 point must touch. As you can see now here.
It's 3 that is touching.
Okay. You see here it's been trying to break, but it's failed. Then it went up to find a resistance. Then it pushed down.
Yes.
What is pushed down broke. What is broken is broken. Our trend line is
the trend line
is reflecting. It's also broke our what? Our strong what? Support. Of which now we need to find another support, and then what's gonna happen after this? We're going to push up again to retest the area, and then what will happen after this? We'll be moving down again.
Okay.
I hope we are getting clear. I hope we are clear. Are you clear?
Yeah, I can see these ones. Yeah.
Okay. Let me put it in my channel. see that 2 point. Come on. Let me go to each one. I want to show you something. Look here. Look here. You see here. You see here. That has been trying to respect, but it's failed. Yeah.
Yep.
This will act. It's gonna act as a what? It's gonna act as our order block. This will act as our order block. It's gonna act order block is what? It's also what? It's gonna be our resistance now.
Okay, that one, yeah.
It's gonna be our resistance. It's gonna be what? Our resistance. So the trend line is no longer valid anymore. So what you need to do now, you see how simple is it?
Yeah,
now,
to analyze the way you're doing it, it's not not bad.
You see now, we are waiting what? We are waiting for it to move what? We're waiting for it to move down. Come here. You see, waiting for it to push down.
If strong support, it can go up.
You have to find a support, and then after that, what? Go up. See, and also for it to go up, it's not going to just go up. You see here on H1 before it dropped. We had a what? We had a bearish engulfing here. You see? We had a bearish engulfing of it show that we need to go down first. And then also the news that came as I told you that indices are 70% fundamental and they are 30% technical.
Yes.
As you can see also here, also on H1, you see that we're on H1. It's try to respect this area. You see, we have an inside vacant here. It's try to respect what this level. Try to respect this support, but it's failed, and then it went down. That's the reason why I sold. That's the reason why I sold. So this is very simple when it comes to trading. So, do you see also that we have the support here? See that we have the support here, right?
Yeah.
It means we have the support here. We have the support again here. I hope you can see we have the support here. Whenever you say to go down and then test this area, it must come and test. It must come and test. It must come and test. It must come and test this area. Basically, as you can see here, as you can see here, it was never it did test, it came this candle. So it's coming for a second time now in this area. You can see
come and retest.
And reset. See, it tried to break it, then it failed, then went down again, tried to break, then it went down again, tried to bring it down, and finally it's pushed up. When it's pushed up, it's found a what? It's found a resistance.
A resistance.
When it found a resistance, what happened after this? It's made a long candle, it's pushed down to test some quick test.
Go and retest the support, yeah.
Yeah, push up again, and then we broke above this area. What happened? We had a retest here, so something push up, then down again, up, and then down, then we push up again, and then again we came what to the test this level. We found the what? We found our resistance, then it's pushed up, and then we made a fake breakout here. Then we had a strong bearish engulfing candle on H4. Then we sell, and then it came again to test. It tried to hold in this area to test, but it failed. And then after that, it pushed down again, and then it broke our major what? our major zone. It means that this is our break-off structure, of which means that there is no more uptrend. Uptrend failed because we
Yeah,
broke
field, yeah.
we broke our support, and then we broke our trend line, of which it's a change of trend now. It's a break of structure. So the trend has changed. So we're gonna push down now to come to look for what? To look for a support. And then after that, we're gonna be pushing up to test. If 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 it break up above this level, gonna come here and test, and then come and test our trend line, and then you push down again. Or if it's gonna fail to break this zone, this support that need to be tested to be resistant, it's gonna come here and then push down again, continue down. So we're gonna monitor every move of it. Must make sure that you monitor every move of it. You must look for a candlesticks rejection. You also need to look for fundamental parts. So are we clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Are we clear?
Yes, I'm clear on this one now.
We are clear on this one.
Yeah. The way you have explained it to me, it was the fake breakout there
Yeah,
at 35499. Then that is where most after those Twitter news and stuff, it went down most.
Exactly, it went down. So I hope you are clear. Okay, let's go to Nasdaq. Let me go to Nasdaq. Let's see how Nasdaq did.
It's almost, when I check these things, the Nasdaq, US 30, German, Nasdaq and US 30, they always must move the same.
Exactly.
Sometimes.
Exactly. I see that you understand now. So I don't see there any need for me to analyze and understand it, because you understand it. The way you analyze real estate is the same way that you're gonna analyze Nasdaq. The way you're gonna analyze Nasdaq is the same way you're gonna analyze German.
Okay.
But bear in mind that everything that you do when it comes to Forex, you need to practice and master it. There's also some of the things. There's also a also a information like a double top. You need to put that in mind also. See this thing. Also a double top. You see, it's from here. You see here we had an M here. You see an M and push down. We found a support, and then push up and come down again. And then we broke our structure.
So from M it went to W there.
Yeah, it's made some sort of a W, or sort of, yeah, it's sort of a W here. There is this W that you're talking about. I can see it. There is this W that you're talking about.
It pushed up from there.
There's a W, but there was too much here. This one, they're talking about this W.
Yeah.
Yeah, that small W is not a correct one. It's not a correct one.
Okay.
It's not a correct one, but I can say the W. And then made an M and then push down, come to test this area again, and then you push up. When you push up, what happened after that? We had a break of structure again. It was the end of a downtrend when you break a strong area. This was a strong resistance, of which is broken, and then it came and test, and then push up again. Try to consolidate around, and then you push up. We found another what? We found another resistance. This was our resistance.
Okay.
This is our resistance. You see, this was our resistance. You see, it corresponds. You see, this was our resistance because the trend pushed down here and then came up, then went down again, then pushed up. You see, push up and then it went up again, and then come and test this area. So this is went down again and tried to push up again, but it failed. Then it went down again. Break of structure. We are inside the same area now. Strong what? We're inside this strong. This been playing as a support and resistance, support and resistance. Now we have become again what? It's going to become a resistance again, of which it's a strong area. This one is a strong area. This one, it's going to be a strong one. It's gonna be pushing USD down when it comes to test, but you will see anyway. But it must come here and then push down again. I hope we are clear.
Okay.
You must be able to
Yeah,
also.
it means if you want to blow your account here, you open a buy and it will kill you direct.
You see the important thing that you need to understand when it comes to trading. You must be able to spot and you must be able to spot and downtrend move. You must be able to spot an uptrend move. Then
Uptrend move, yeah.
when it comes to that, my brother, you have mastered the forex. Then another thing also you need to know when to enter the trade, which time frame to use to enter a trade. So that's the other thing that is very, very important. Okay, when it comes to entering your trade, I'll be showing you on the system. I'll be showing you on the system that we find our entry points on the M5. We find our entry points on the M5. Okay. You see how USD came here. You see how it tested very nicely. It went up and then we're gonna have a sell here. I had a sell here. I have it now. It's still running. I have a sell here. Then it went down, pushing down again because we already know what that we are going down. It's in downtrend. So when it comes to analysis and everything, I will clear. Another thing you need to be able to spot Ws. Most of the time Ws they come from smaller time frame like M15 and M5. Yeah, most of the time Ws. And also you need to be able to spot head and shoulders. I think you know how to spot a head and shoulder. And then also a triple, a series with a triple bottom. You need to consider to have a triple. Consider to have a triple here. You see, you have a triple bottom here. Try, then down, push again, push, and then consolidation is strong, and then it went up. It was playing on our trend line here. This trend line was also acting as a what? Was acting as a support. Then you also had a strong support here. Do you remember that that resistance that was broken, which was an M?
Yes.
This is the one.
It was an M, yeah.
This is the resistance that was broken. That was an M. Then it went above and then was staying here. And then now the trend has come below it again, of which the break of structure, and then it's the end of an uptrend. It's the end of an uptrend. So now we'll be going down now. We'll be sinking down again and until we find another strong support for it to push up again, for it again to come above this strong support for resistance. Now it must set as a resistance before the trend continues down again. I hope we are clear. Is there any questions?
Yep.
Is there any questions?
Okay. What I wanted to ask, remember where the market turned, you said it's because of that Twitter and Netflix, correct?
Yes.
So it means after you have marked all your support and resistance and story, you need to watch the news as well, and then get a daily update what is going on outside before you can enter the market.
Yeah, you must understand what is happening fundamentally when it comes to forex trading.
Okay.
It can give you positive news, can give you a negative news. So you must understand, and also what is going to favor you. As I told you to you, that you must understand the trend of the market.
Yes.
You must see the trend of the market. You must be able to spot an uptrend. You must be able to spot a downtrend, and also you must be able to spot the pattern of the market, like bullish flag, bullish flag. Last week I made a session. It was even on YouTube. Here, this is our daily. So this is our daily. On daily chart,
yeah.
This is daily chart. On daily, we had a bullish flag. It was like this. It was still playing inside. We had a bullish flag on daily. This was a bullish flag. This was a strong bullish flag. So let me do like this. This was a strong bullish flag. This was a what? This was a strong bullish flag.
Yes.
This was a strong bullish flag. If you can go to our YouTube channel and check, you will see. This was a strong bullish flag. So it went down and then come up, touch our trend line and went down again, find our support and push down again, push up again. I mean, then it went down again, then it found out our support, then it came here and then the trend line closed. The candle closed inside our trend line. This was a sell for you to come here. Then you exit your sell here because we also is what we also have a support of our we have support of a trend line also, and then it went down, and then it broke our trend line, and then on this time frame on H4 it didn't retest, it just went up to find the support. I mean a resistance. When we find resistance and then the news came out and then it pushed down again. Then it break off structure again, then it pushed down again, going down. By the flag, that's what I'm telling you. That you need to be able to spot to see this kind of flags. They are very, very powerful when it comes to H4 and daily. They take time to react. They are not fast as other time frames.
Okay.
It's gonna take time to react. As you can see, that first before it goes, it went to consolidation here, been touching up, going down, up and down. You see until it breaks. Then we had a flag again here. This is the flag. This is the flag, the bullish flag. Then it's pushed up again. Then it tried to go down, but it's failed. Then it went up, and then we found once we found the resistance, and then it pushed down again. Then it tried to respect this area. This was the area that was broken. It came like to retest it, and then the news came out. Then push down the trend, and then the trend changed to be a downtrend. So are you still there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
I think it's a network. But okay, do you understand now?
Yeah, what you are telling me, I do understand. I just need to put it into practice.